Welcome to Vanindin Academy. Today, we're diving deep into something every solar user needs to understand: solar inverters, specifically the differences between 5 kilowatts, 7 kilowatts, 10 kilowatts, and 12 kilowatts inverters. What do these numbers actually mean? Which one do you need for your home? And why do solar experts often recommend oversizing your panels compared to your inverter? Let's break it all down, simply and clearly. First, what is a solar inverter? A solar inverter takes the electricity from your solar panels, which is in direct current or DC, and converts it into alternating current or AC, which is the type of power your home appliances use. No inverter means no usable power from your solar panels. It's the brain of your solar energy system. Now, what do those numbers like 5 kilowatts or 10 kilowatts really mean? Those sizes refer to how much power your inverter can handle at any given moment. It's like the engine size of your system. The higher the number, the more energy it can convert and supply at once. Let's break them down one by one. A 5 kilowatts inverter is ideal for small homes or apartments. It's often paired with about 6.6 kilowatts of solar panels and can produce roughly 20 to 25 kilowatt hours of electricity per day. A 7 kilowatts inverter is suited for medium-sized homes with 3 to 5 people. It pairs well with 9 to 10 kilowatts of panels and can generate around 28 to 35 kilowatt hours per day. A 10 kilowatts inverter is perfect for large homes, especially those with electric vehicles, high appliance use, or a pool. With a 13 to 15 kilowatt solar panel system, it can output around 40 to 50 kilowatt hours per day. And a 12 kilowatts inverter is designed for homes with very high energy needs or small businesses. It typically supports a solar panel system of 15 to 17 kilowatts and can produce 50 to 60 or more kilowatt hours per day. Now let's talk about something called inverter oversizing. You might wonder why a 6.6 kilowatt solar panel system would be paired with a 5 kilowatts inverter. That's called oversizing, and it's actually very common, because solar panels don't produce their full rated power all the time due to temperature, shading, and other real-world factors. Oversizing allows you to get more power throughout the day without damaging the inverter. It improves system efficiency and boosts your overall energy output. So how do you choose the right inverter size for your home? Start by checking your electricity bill to find your average daily energy usage. If your home uses 10 to 20 kilowatt hours per day, a 5 kilowatts inverter is a great choice. If you use 20 to 30 kilowatt hours daily, go for a 7 kilowatts inverter. If your usage is 30 to 50 kilowatt hours, a 10 kilowatts inverter will suit you. And if you're consistently above 50 kilowatt hours per day, or you're planning to add batteries or an EV, consider a 12 kilowatts inverter. Next, let's briefly cover inverter types. String inverters are the most common and cost-effective option for standard installations. Hybrid inverters are designed to work with both solar panels and battery storage, now or in the future. Microinverters are small units placed under each panel. They are best for roofs that have shading or panels facing in multiple directions. If you want a system that's ready for future upgrades, like adding a battery or EV charger, choose a hybrid inverter or go slightly larger with your inverter size. To sum it up, a 5 kilowatts inverter is great for small homes. A 7 kilowatts inverter fits medium households. A 10 kilowatts inverter supports larger homes with higher usage. And a 12 kilowatts inverter is ideal for high-demand homes or small businesses. Oversizing your solar panels slightly is smart and boosts your energy output. Thanks for watching Vanindin Academy. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly solar lessons. Let us know in the comments what inverter size you're considering. We'd love to hear from you.